Salesforce Service Cloud versus ServiceNow. Full comparison for customer support and IT service management. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two industry giants in service management, Salesforce Service Cloud and ServiceNow. Whether you're aiming to chance customer support or streamline IT service operations, this breakdown will help you decide which platform best fits your business needs. Let's dive right in. We have here the Salesforce Service Cloud, which is best for customer support and CRM integration. First, it has a CRM integration built in on Salesforce's powerful CRM platform, providing a 360-degree view of customers. Second, omni-channel support seamlessly manages customer queries for email, chat, social media, and phone. Third, AI-powered insights. Einstein AI automates responses, predicts case resolution times, and suggests next actions. Fourth, self-service portals lets customers find support through knowledge bases, facts, and forums. But it has two cons. High cost for small business, best suited for mid-sized to large enterprises. Second, it has complex setups, which requires time and expertise for initial configuration and customization. It is best for business focused on customer service, sales support, and organizations already using Salesforce for CRM. On the other hand, we have the ServiceNow, which is best for IT service management and enterprise solutions. First, it has powerful ITSM features, seamless incident, problem change, and asset management for IT teams. Second, automation and AI automates workflows using AI-powered virtual agents and machine learning. Third, it has an enterprise-scale integration. Works well with large enterprise systems like ERP, CRM, and HR platforms. Four, it has custom app development. Built custom enterprise application with low-code tools, but with two cons too. Its steep learning curve. It has a complex interface required for proper training for full utilization, with costly for small business. Pricing is better suited for large enterprises with bigger budgets. It is best for large enterprises and IT service teams looking for an end-to-end platform to manage operations services and workflow skills. For our final verdict, choose Salesforce Service Cloud if your primary focus is customer service and support, especially if you're already using Salesforce CRM platforms for sales, marketing, and customer engagement. On the other hand, choose ServiceNow if your organization requires advanced IT service management, enterprise-wide automation, and custom workflow solutions at scale. Now, which platform do you think will help streamline your support or IT services? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.